Lesson 7. Are you excited? I know I got LASIK. This is a side note. In June, and I love it, but I've been a little tired, so these are my plus one readers. I am so proud of you for making it this far. You can do this, okay? We got it. Lesson 7, responding to people. So it's super important to respond to people because that's how you have conversations. All right, so we're gonna log into Twitter, look at the bell. The bell is for notifications. Now, remember we were doing following back, so those people followed us back. And what we like to do is we like to go backward, okay? We've already seen that. And then now, Speak to Web is replying to us. Remember we said, wow, that's amazing. And remember this line, I'll zoom out. This line shows the thread, all right? So if you're ever confused when you go to your notifications, what somebody is responding to, then when you click on the tweet, you can scroll up, all right? So we're saying it's exciting, and they responded to us. If I could only tell you what it is and the significant real-world benefits we'll deliver to users and companies. And so I can be funny, and I like to be funny. So if I were being funny, I might say, I know you'd have to kill me. But probably today is not a good day to do that, since there is a presidential election that's being projected, and that's not a smart thing to say. Sometimes funny can backfire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask a question, okay? Is there a sign-up list for the beta release? And then I'm going to click reply. So I'm perpetuating the conversation. Now I'm going to go back. These people all added me to their list. So this guy added me to his list, and we're not following them. So I'm going to click on him and see what he has to say. Oh look, he's a WordPress person. He's from Texas. So I am going to add him to WordPress Professionals. He's not in San Antonio, but he's close. Okay, so Jason Tucker replied. Now, what he did is he did a comment retweet, and he replied and said, so basically he shared it with an extra message. So if somebody shares your thing, usually you're going to say, thank you. You could say gracias. You can say Biel Donka. You can say donkey well. Merci. Okay, just whatever. Say thank you. Be a human. All right. Let's see. Jen Miller liked this tweet. Oh, she responded. Okay. So Jen Miller responded to the tweet about not being afraid to make phone calls following up on your late invoices. She said, plus a phone call lets you check in on other ways you can help and may lead to additional sales. Now that is super smart. That's an excellent point, Jen. Contact with your customers is rarely a bad thing. Reply. All right, now go back to there. And okay, now, since it's only been 4 minutes, I'm going to do bonus time. Bonus! Go ahead to your shish kebab menu right here. Go to analytics and make sure that you've turned it on. It's not on by default. Twitter's analytics are the best. They're amazing, okay? It will tell you what your top tweets are. It will tell you your impressions and everything like that. So right now, the top tweet we have is this one for the UTSA. All right, so you want to have those on. And it used to be that they showed demographic data, but they don't. Anyway, it will open a new tab, analytics.twitter.com. So that is your extra bonus information. Oh, somebody replied. Oh, so she liked the reply. Perfect. So that's it. You caught up and you're ready for the next listen. Log into your Twitter account, find your replies, reply back to them. Maybe some people have followed you. Follow them, add them to the list, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.